I just snagged an Apple Watch for $40 on the streets of NYC. Looks real, feels real, but something's way off. Sellers vanish when cops show up, and that's a red flag right there. But I bought it anyway. Here's how I tested to see if this is a scam or a steal. The moment I unboxed this $40 Apple Watch, my instincts were screaming. The packaging screams counterfeit with low-res logos and suspicious branding. But the watch itself? It looks almost too real. Let's see if it can pull off the deception. This box is supposed to be an Apple Watch Series 9, but the minute I peel back the plastic, I'm about to find out if this $40 Apple Watch is just a clever replica, or if it actually works like the real thing. Let's see if it pairs with my iPhone without throwing any red flags. If it fools my phone, maybe I'm not getting scammed after all, or am I? This watch is supposed to be a Series 9, but the second I try pairing it with my phone, something feels wrong. Real Apple devices usually trigger a security prompt. This one just slides right in like it belongs here. Is it tricking my system, or is there something even more suspicious going on? Let's find out if this $40 deal is too good to be true. At first glance,